Hey there, fellow investors. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, setting up a Betterment account is a smart and straightforward move. Betterment is an automated investing platform that helps you grow your money with minimal effort. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can get started in no time. First things first, head over to the Betterment website. You can simply type Betterment into your search engine or go directly to their official site. Once you're there, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. It's usually right on the homepage. Click that, and you'll be prompted to create an account. You'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and maybe verify your email to ensure everything's secure. Next, Betterment will ask for some basic personal information to set up your profile. This includes your name, date of birth, and social security number for verification purposes. Don't worry, it's all encrypted and safe. Now, choose the type of account that suits you best. Betterment offers options like a standard taxable account, Roth IRA, or traditional IRA, depending on your goals. Think about whether you're saving for retirement or general investing. After that, it's time to link your bank account. This step is crucial for funding your Betterment account. You'll enter your bank details, and Betterment uses secure connections to make the process easy. Once linked, you can transfer money from your bank to Betterment. Start with as little as $0 if you're just testing the waters, but aim for at least $100 to make it worthwhile. Finally, customize your investment strategy. Betterment will ask about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and goals. Based on your answers, they'll recommend a portfolio of low-cost ETFs. Review and confirm your selections, and voila, you're all set. Remember, investing involves risks, so always do your research. Once your account is funded, Betterment's algorithms will handle the rest, rebalancing your portfolio as needed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Let's build that wealth together.